The question for this episode is, what is CPOR? CPOR stands for Claiming Partner of Record and is how Microsoft recognizes partners who are servicing a customer's Microsoft cloud environment.
This is a critical topic for partners because it can impact, your Microsoft competencies, your partner scorecard, as well as revenue recognition.
Exactly. It's a very important topic. So let's begin with Microsoft's perspective on the program. So CPOR, it's not just a designation. It actually enables Microsoft to identify and recognize those partners who are helping customers achieve specific business objectives and driving value into the cloud. So once a partner associates themselves with a customer workload or subscription, they then obtain access to usage data. It enables the partners to monitor their customers' active usage and utilization while at the same time providing them with recommendations on how they can maximize against those benefits. So it's important to point out that partners do not have access to any other customer data. CPOR is also important to Microsoft because they utilize the program to better understand what is happening within the ecosystem of the solution providers like AvePoint as well as for service providers. So Microsoft is constantly reviewing this data and improving things like Partner Center as well as other tools that are part of how we service and support our customers.
From an AvePoint perspective, there's definitely scenarios where AvePoint is the partner of record. There's also where our channel partners are the partner of record. If you have questions about CPOR in general or regarding a specific customer account, you should definitely work with your partner manager to resolve those.
Yeah, that is a great first step for sure.
Now, what about a scenario where there's more than one partner working with a customer? Does CPOR recognize multiple partners?
That is a great question. It's a common question. CPOR itself, that metric, only allows for one partner of record per workload or product. But you can have multiple partners that can be associated with the same customer, for different subscriptions or workloads. For example, one could be doing a SharePoint deployment or a Teams deployment, so providing those deployment services, but another providing adoption services and training, like fast track training is a great example. That's another great topic you can discuss with your partner manager.
Interesting. So there's a lot more detail, obviously, around the program, and I'm sure partners have questions and want to know more. So what are some steps they can take to take action immediately?
Well, first and foremost, and hopefully we're driving this message home, to have regular communications with their partner manager to discuss any questions about CPOR, whether it's standing questions or necessary proof of delivery around the metrics around a specific customer. Second, there's a ton of content that's available out on the topic out on docs.microsoft.com. If you just go and search under Claim Partner of Record, Customer Associations, and I'd encourage all partners to read up on the topic and be familiar with this process.
Well, that's great. Thanks for the overview, Christian. And as always, if you want to learn more about the AvePoint Partner Program and more details around topics like this, visit us at www.avepoint.com/partners.